I am Bhagwan. I am founder and CEO of SmartTrack Solar Systems. So we have found this company. Our product mainly focuses on sun tracking system, which makes the solar panels to move from east to west automatically. So currently we have orders worth around 2 megawatt, and we are anticipating a few 10 megawatt orders in this current year. The software and the electronic systems are indigenously designed, and we are importing the actuators and motors from US. We are looking for grid-tied residential, agriculture, and other commercial institute. So we have installed a 10 kilowatt plant at CBIT, Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, and we have successfully installed a 375 kilowatt tracking system near Anantapur, and we are executing 1.25 megawatt orders, which will be completed by next month. So this year we are expecting 10 megawatt orders for our tracking systems. Government for the off-grid system, they are providing subsidy, 30% subsidy, and as well as loan on 50% capital cost. In future, we would like to go aggressively with the off-grid systems and on-grid system installations, as government has a good plan of 20 gigawatt by 2022. So we hope we do good installations by that. This is kind of a right initiative that what we are doing. So basically, as we install more systems, certainly we get calls from our customers, and we get manual referrals. As the system is installed, they refer to someone else, and they see the real advantage of the system, and that's how we are getting. So I'm talking about 1 megawatt. Farmers certainly doesn't need 1 megawatt power. So farmers might go with a 2 kilowatt or 3 kilowatt system, which is around 2 to 3 lakhs, and government is giving subsidy for up to 30% and 50% loan. We are exploring opportunities in that.